Aspen HYSYS process modeling provides the essential skills for successful and efficient process simulation using Aspen HYSYS. The course provides new HYSYS users with the skills to confidently build process simulations, calculate key physical properties, and generate information needed for accurate equipment and process design. Students will learn how to select and add thermodynamic settings needed for a process simulation. Proper selection and configuration of thermodynamic models are discussed, including the integration of NIST thermodynamic properties for a wide variety of components. Students will learn to calculate key physical property data at any process condition and with any units of measure desired. US, SI, and any custom combination of units are available. Students gain the confidence to work with different Aspen HYSYS unit operations and fully understand the calculation methodologies of these unit operations. For instance, heat transfer is covered in detail, enabling students to perform quick heat balance calculations or size and rate real heat exchanger. Multi-stage separations such as absorption and distillation are also covered. Students explore how to reliably adjust column model specifications to accurately tune a simulation column to a real-life distillation system or to a desired operating point. Further, students will learn how to size and rate column trays based on simulator data and proven vendor methods. Rotating equipment is studied in detail, as students will learn how to model pumps and compressors. Students will see how these pumps and compressors can be supplied with vendor operating curves and are implemented into the framework of an existing process simulation. Various pipeline modeling correlations and models will be covered, giving new HYSYS users the knowledge to set up the proper correlation for any fluid flow scenario. Examples are devoted to useful flowsheet management tools and techniques that allow for process simulations to be built in less time with fewer errors. These tools will enable user-defined calculations, adjustment of inputs to meet process objectives, the linking of multiple Aspen HYSYS files, and the ability to set up complex, recycled flowsheets. Students will also learn valuable troubleshooting and analytical tools, thus ensuring that the models they build after leaving training will be robust and reliable. Multiple reporting techniques are introduced as well, including customizable HYSYS data sheets, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet reporting, and also automation with Excel via Aspen Simulation Workbook. Students will also review how to print and save their process flow diagram to multiple formats readable in third-party programs. Other topics that may be discussed include the integration of Pro2 or Aspen Plus files into HYSYS and the interoperability of HYSYS with other Aspen Tech programs, such as Aspen Exchanger Design and Rating, and Aspen Process Economic Analyzer. To find detailed course content and scheduling information for Aspen HYSYS process modeling, just start from the Aspen Tech support homepage at support.aspentech.com. Navigate to the training portion of the web page for all the latest information on customer training offerings and options. To find information about Aspen HYSYS process modeling, you can select the course catalog at the left. Choose Process Engineering as the product family, and scroll down through the process engineering products until you find Aspen HYSYS. Simply click the course title for a schedule of upcoming classes, course outline, and a detailed course agenda. For further training opportunities, feel free to coordinator in your region for more information. Thank you.